Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about does your Samsung Galaxy smartphone have lightning edges or not. Let's check before watching this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to open your settings. Then you have to write here lightning edges. And friends, you can see there is no this setting in. Like you can see edge here, it is edge panel and edge lightning style. You have to click on this and you can choose this how messages will show. This is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.